Hi everyone. So now that we know our sound O, we're going to try and sound some words out. So I have 6 words here, and hiding behind the word is a picture. So we have to guess what the word is. So I'm going to help you sound them out, and then I'm going to give you a chance to guess what the sound is, and then you can see if you're right when I reveal the picture. Okay, so listen to the first one. T, O, S, T. T, O, S, T. Have a guess. Toast is what the word is. Okay, will we try the next one? The next one is K, O, T. Okay, I'm going to say it again, and you try it with me if you feel you can. K, O, T. K, O, T. Right, what do you think it is? Coat. It is a coat. Okay, we're going on to the next word. We have S, O, P. S, O, P. S, O, P. Right, what do you think it is? Well done, it's soap. Excellent work. Right, we have 3 done and 3 to go. So, the next one we're on is F, O, L. F, all. F, all. Can you think of what it is? It is a foal, and we know that a foal is a baby horse. Well done, everyone. Right, the next one is a shorter one. So let's try it. Oak. Oak. Can you think of what it could be? Oak, like the oak tree in the story. Well done, everyone. And we are on to the last one. Are you ready? G, O, T. G, O, T. What could it be? Well done, everyone. It is a goat. What you could do is try these with the sound off when you have them practiced and see can you get them without teacher's help. Off you go and have a try, and I'd love you to send me in you sounding them out on Seesaw. Okay, bye.